Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the mercy of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. This is Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Director of Islamic Studies of National International School, Day Shift, Bonasri, Dhaka. Today I am about to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 4. Our today's topic is Chapter 4, BQ, got question 6, 7. Term half yearly, lecture number 17, and HW, I will give HW on the basis of today's lecture, which number will be 15. Okay, dear students, let's come to the board and listen. Chapter 4, BQ 6 and 7, today's topic. BQ 6, what is Tajweed? Answer, Tajweed is an Arabic word. It means to beautify. Tajweed implies reciting the Holy Quran accurately. It is wajib to recite the Holy Quran according to the manner of Tajweed. Otherwise, the reader will be a sinner and his prayer will not be accepted. Almighty Allah orders in the Holy Quran, "Warattilil Qur'ana tartila," meaning reciting the Holy Quran slowly and distinctly. Okay, dear students, now we start question number 7. BQ 7. What is makhraj? How many makhrajes of Arabic letters are there? Answer, Arabic letters are pronounced from different places of the mouth, such as throat, tongue, palate, teeth and lips. The places of pronunciation of an Arabic letters is called makhraj. There are 7 makhrajes for the Arabic letters. Okay, dear students, this 2 question is very, very important for your exam, and you have to write minimum 2 times at your home in the CW copy, and you have to do your HW at your assignment copy, at your HW copy. And now I want to give your HW for today's class. Today's HW number 15, and topic of HW is write the answer of question number 6. Write the answer of question number 6. Okay, dear students, you have to do your HW this question number 6. What is Tajweed? You have to write down from here to here. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. Avoid by parents. Stay well. See you again very soon, inshallah, with another topic. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.